Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today we're stepping into a machine that's rewriting the rules of luxury travel on wheels, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV. At first glance, you might think this is just another big rig with a shiny paint job, but one step inside will shatter every expectation you've ever had about what a motorhome can be. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace, a fully functional luxury apartment, and a futuristic command center, all built into the unmistakable frame of the legendary T2000. The moment you walk through the automated entry door, you're greeted by a living space that feels like it belongs in a high-end penthouse, not a truck. The expansive lounge area is wrapped in premium Italian leather seating, complete with massaging and heating functions. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while hidden smart blinds give you instant privacy at the touch of a button. The 85-inch 8K smart TV in the living room is mounted on a silent motorized lift, transforming the space into your own private cinema. Moving into the kitchen, the transformation is jaw-dropping. This isn't your average RV kitchenette. This is a chef's dream. With a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a smart sink that can measure, filter, and heat water instantly. Every cabinet is soft close. Every surface is stone finished, and there's even a retractable dining table that can seat four in comfort. Step further back and you enter the master bedroom, where the luxury continues. A king-size memory foam bed is flanked by ambient LED lighting that changes color to suit your mood. There's a full wall of built-in wardrobe storage, a hidden vanity station, and a surround sound system discreetly embedded into the walls, giving you an immersive audio experience without a single wire in sight. The bathroom feels more like a spa than an RV washroom. You've got a rainfall shower with digital temperature control, heated floors, a smart mirror with an integrated display, and a premium ceramic basin with gold-tone fixtures. Even here, Kenworth hasn't skimped on space. You can move around without feeling cramped. Under the skin, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 RV is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, delivering immense torque for highway, cruising, and whisper-quiet electric mode for city or campground use. Advanced suspension and noise insulation make the ride incredibly smooth, and the onboard AI system manages everything from climate to navigation with voice commands. This is more than just a motorhome. It's a vision of the future, wrapped in steel, leather, and technology, ready to take you anywhere in unmatched comfort and style.